When you're preparing a lunchbox for your family, one of the things that I think is really important is to make it personal, make it reflect your culture, your heritage, the way that you eat at home. So Marianne, Kerry, how do you personalise the way that you eat outside of the home to how you like to eat inside the home?
In preparing my lunches, I have a few things that I usually use to take with me for my lunch. And I have this little lunch bag.
That's beautiful.
That my husband bought for me as a gift. And I even washed it for a special occasion today. And I also have this beeswax wrap that my mum bought for me at the markets one day, and I use that perhaps to, wrap some snacks in or wrap a sandwich in. And so those are the things that I usually use, as well as my lunchbox, to package everything up. And if I don't have a fridge, then I'll throw this little ice block in there as well.
Amazing. And Kerry, you brought in something a little bit special.
Yeah, a teapot. So for those that know me well, know that I love a cup of tea. I love a lot of different black teas, love the jasmine teas, and so for me, that's really relaxing when I take that pause for lunch.
Two great ways to personalise your lunch and make it all your own.